All right, class. Now let's talk about operation on numbers, right? So here, operations mean we will have the numbers, and on numbers we will apply the operators like plus, plus, minus, multiplication, subtraction. So suppose we have number like 40, and suppose this is 10, and we are writing here plus. So these are the numbers. We will say these are the operands, and on the operands we are applying operator plus, right? So it will have some value like 34. Similarly, we can have other operators as well, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, or exponential, right? So, and sometime in arithmetic equations, we have parentheses also. We do the parenthesization to decide, to change the ordering, right, of the computation. So, for order of operations, like what should be the order of computation when you are having multiple operators in an expression? So it's like suppose you have 40, 24 into 10 and minus 5, right? So what should be the ordering? Will you subtract? Will you do subtraction first, or should we do multiplication first? So we know that it's decided by PAMDIS, right? So we know P stands for parenthesization, parenthesis. So if we have parenthesis in any expression, then it is of highest precedence. And then E stands for exponent, like power, can be any power. Then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction, right? So we use this precedence of operator. So if we are having exponent operator, this will be giving highest precedence. Along with this, we talk about associativity of operator as well. Associativity mean like exponential is right associative, while these all operators, they all are left associative. So what is right associative or left associative? I'll write here. Suppose there is a number 2 to the power, it's like written 2 to the power 3, and 2 to 3 to the power 2, right? Suppose this is the number. So, and this is power operator, and I'm saying power operator is right associative. Right associative mean first we will compute this, and then this will be power of 2. So this will be like 3 to the power 2 first, and then this result will be power of this 2, right? So this is the right associative. Next is left associative. Left associative means suppose we have operator like 2 plus 5 minus 3, right? So remaining these four operators are left associative. Mean if we are having operator of same precedence, then they are left associative. These four are left associative. Mean first we will do 5 plus 2, and then we'll get 7, and then it will be subtracted. Then it will be 4. So when we have any equation, we will look at the precedence, and if something is of same precedence, then we will apply their associativity. So this is our day-to-day application, or this is the system which we talk about. And basically, in our day-to-day life, we use infix notation. We like equation like a plus b, and where a and b, they are the operand, and plus is the operator here, right? But when we talk about computer system, then we use prefix and postfix notations. Prefix and postfix mean here in prefix notation, like in infix notation, we write operator in between the operands. However, in prefix notation, we write operator first and then operands. So this is plus AB, right? In postfix notation, in postfix notation, operator is written after the operands, right? So it will be A plus B. So in infix, we have the operands on which we want to apply the operator. Operator will be written in between the operands. In prefix form, operator is written before the operands, and in postfix expression, operator is written after the operand. So this is the difference in these two notations. We use this in our day-to-day life, right? A plus B, like that. Now let's see some conversion, for some expression like A plus B. If this is an infix, then its prefix version will be plus A B, and in postfix will be A B plus. Now do this one, A plus B multiplication C. So here we will apply PAMDAS rule. So first we will compute the this parenthesis part. So we will go look at this parenthesis, right? Now in this parenthesis we have B multiplication C. So what will be the prefix part? Prefix will be B multiplication C, right? So it will be, you will write multiplication, then B, and then C. So B into C will be this multiplication, B and C. Operator will come before its operands. Then this is A plus this expression, right? So what you will write? This is the operator which is applied on these two operands, right? So you will write plus, then first operand, and then the second operand. So for plus, this is the first operand and this is the second operand. So you will write plus, then A, and the second operand. Make sense? Now let's try to write its postfix expression. So again, you will look at the parenthesis first, which is B into C. So B into C in postfix will be written as B, C multiplication. Operator will come after its operands, right? So it will be B, C multiplication. Now what we have here, this is first operand and this is second operand, and on this is the operator, right? So what will be its postfix form? You will write first operator, then first operand, then you will write the second operand in postfix form, then you will write the operator. So this is the postfix version, postfix expression of this infix. Now look at one more example, A plus B. So this is the parent, this is in parenthesis. So first you will write prefix form for A plus B. So it will be prefix plus AB, right? Next is multiplication C. It means you need to apply multiplication on this operand and this operand, right? So this is the first operand. So you will write plus AB. And this is the second operand. So you will write C. And on these operands, what we are applying? Multiplication operator. So it will come at first. Does it make sense? So this will be multiplication plus A, B, C. Now let's try to write A, B, and then multiplication C. Let's try to write its postfix form. So how you will write? This is first operand. So you will write A, B plus, right? So this is for first operand. A plus B in postfix, it will be written as AB plus. Now this is the first operand for multiplication. Now we need to convert this and this and this into postfix. So you will write first operand for multiplication, then you will write second operand for multiplication, and then you will write the operator. So it will be A, B plus C multiplication, right? So this is an example. Let's do some more example. I'll explain you all these two here. So this is A plus B into C minus D with parenthesis. So you know, as PAMDAS rule, we will do compute first this A plus B. So let's try to write its prefix version. Okay, I'll write here. Right? So prefix will be plus A, B, right? Then C minus D. This is again one parenthesis. We'll solve it. So it will be minus C and D. Now on these two parentheses, there is multiplication. So for multiplication, this is first operand you have written. This is second operand you have written. On these operands, we need to apply multiplication. So this will be the prefix version for this equation, right? And postfix mean A, B plus C, D minus, right? So this is first operand, this is second operand. On this, we need to apply multiplication. So you will write multiplication at last. One more example. This is A, B plus, right? So let's try to write first prefix. So A, B plus, this is the parenthesis. So you will write plus A, B, right? Next is C, D minus. Oh, I think there will be less space for me. I'll write here. So this will be A. I'm writing the prefix version for this expression. So this will be A plus B. So it will be A, B plus. Next is C minus D. So you will write here C, D. Oh, I have written here postfix. So this will be A, B plus, and this is C minus D. So it will be minus C and D. Now on these two, we need to apply division operator. So this is first operand, this is second operand for the division. So you will write division of first operand and second operand. Now let's do for E into F, right? E into F. So in this parenthesis, what you'll do? In prefix, you will write multiplication E and F, right? And then you need to do this minus this, right? So this is the first operand, and then this is the second operand, and then there will be the minus sign, right? Now, similarly, we can obtain its postfix version. So postfix mean A, B plus, then C, D minus, and then the division sign, because we have three parentheses, A, B plus, C, D minus, E, F multiplication. Now, after doing this parenthesization, we have the operator division and minus. So division has highest precedence. So first you will solve this AB plus CD minus and division, and then this negation, this subtraction will be done for this term and this term. So this is the first term for this subtraction, and this is the second term for the subtraction, and then you will write the operator. All right, class. So in this way, we can convert infix to prefix or postfix expression, right? And then I hope you have observed here, like what is the advantage of adding that much complexity to us? We were good with this one, right? And why to add this extra burden on us? So this burden is us for making that, to make the task of computer simpler. So idea is, if you notice, like in this expression, we are having the parenthesis. Here also we are having the parenthesis. But if you look at its postfix version or prefix version, there is no parenthesis, right? So when we work on prefix and postfix notation, so they are easier to parse for the machine. And in prefix and postfix version, there is no need of any kind of parenthesis, and we are not required to bother for the operator precedence or the associativity. Rather, it will be done internally. So the operator that we have, the notation that we have, they take cares of it, right? So I hope the method is clear, and if you want, you can continue to watch this video. I'll just add here one more conversion on infix to prefix. Suppose we have this expression 25x plus 3 divided by y, right? So this can be written as 25 into x plus 3 divided by y. we want to write its prefix, right? So what we will do, we know that here multiplication and division, they are of highest precedence. So we will write first for this 25 into x. So it will be 25 x and prefix. So you will write multiplication before it. Then 3 by 5. So you will write this division and then 3 and then y, right? Now on these two terms, there is plus operation. So you will write this term, and then plus. So this is its postfix prefix version. Now in postfix, what you will do, you will write 25, then x, and then multiplication. And for this, you will write 3, y, and division. And on these two terms, you need to apply plus, right? So I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.